It is legal to install two L620R receptacles on the same 240 volts circuit. According to the National Electrical Code, Article 210.19 states that circuits supplying 120 volts nominal between conductors shall not be connected to the same branch circuit. Article 210.19b states that circuits supplying 240 volts nominal between conductors shall be permitted to supply loads at 120 volts nominal through a transformer. In this case, you are supplying 240 volts to the L620R receptacles, which is permitted. The receptacle will provide 120 volts to the computer equipment through a transformer typically built into the power strip. Now let us consider some additional points. Firstly, the branch circuit protection. The circuit supplying the L620R receptacle should be protected by a circuit breaker or fuse rated for 20 amps. Secondly, the wiring. The wiring used should be appropriate for 240 volt circuits, such as THHN or XHHW. Thirdly, grounding. Each L620R receptacle should be properly grounded. Fourthly, electrical inspection. Once the installation is complete, it should be inspected by a qualified electrician to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and standards. It is important to verify the load requirements of the computer equipment that will be connected to the power strips. The total wattage of the equipment should not exceed the wattage rating of the power strips and the circuit breaker.